So, it's around 6 a.m. and parating na yung in-drive ko. So, naka-Ferrari ako kasi nanalo si Hamilton kagabi. Dito na. Ay, thank you, sir. Nauna ako sa kanila. While I'm here, I'm gonna show off the guitars I brought. Una kong dalang guitar ay yung PRS Custom 24 SE. Ito yung una kong gitara na binili nung suna kong work. Nag-grade ko yung... kita naman yung upgrades. Yung tawag dito. So yung ikot na to. Pickups. Ito yung recent upgrade ko. Seymour Duncan Jazz sa neck. Seymour Duncan JB sa bridge. Ayun. Ito yung dala ko. I've been using it a lot more recently dahil sa pickups. Napakaganda. Sobrang ganda. Lalo na yung coil speed. Tapos, yung number 2 guitar ko ay ito. Number 2, Severo MC ST1. Yung HSS Strat nila. I haven't taken this guitar out. Actually, kahit sa church. Hindi. Nagamit ko siya sa church. Pero ito yung ni-demo ko na guitar for Severo last year. I think it was around September last year. And, ayun. I haven't used this in months. No setup at all. Pero naisip kong gamitin siya for a concert the other day. And it was so good. Napakasarap ng single coils. Yeah, I'm gonna use it sa gig later. Ano, boy? Ano masabi mo?
Okay ako. Ay, interviewin natin si Kuya Ana. Anong masasabi mo sa Shuzbaza?
Hello. Vlogging. Ito. Tol. Morning. Aray! Tumama yung ano. Sakit. Cubs.
Yo, what up? You know what it is, kids?
Tapos mami. Ito, napaka-awkward content to. Dala ko yung Severo eh.
Dala mo.
Try mo mamaya.
Sige.
Ano pala? Remaining passengers. Hindi kaya maiwan tayo.
Nililipat ng aeroplano pag wala ako. Ako piloto eh.
Saan po yung butuan? Apo. 14. Thank you. Dalawa po. Yung signal. Saan tayo, Linz?
Vlog ka?
Bag.
Nagawin ko muna yung vlog mo Trabaho mo dito.
Vlog
Di ba vlog ka?
Yun, sobrang tulog. Sobrang sarap ng tulog ko sa van. Pero, after, kala ko mirror. After 1.5 hour or 2 hours travel, ito yung room namin. Yun, tabi kami Loisy. We went outside of nowhere. So, 30 minutes rest, then, recto sound check. Sound check! Ang ingay! So, first time yung gagamitin sa gig tong Severo. Yun.
Remedy profound, we here with no sound. This is your crown, I hold it steadily. Worn out, I've been torn down. We need more. When it's raining, I be meditating. I am levitating as I'm serenading. Speedy supersonic, accelerating like rockets. I'm regulating my consciousness, resonating with the clouds. And hesitating, I got it, I'm renegade, but I'm modest. I'm ventilating my thoughts on the industry, the darkness.
imagination.